Jinu Joseph, Global Group Editor of Modern Plastic Global Network and Modern Plastics TV, here with Mr. Mukesh Ambani. Welcome to Modern Plastics TV interview for you, and this is during second AGM of Roma. Thank you for joining us. Could you please tell our viewers about Roma and its activities?
Thank you, Mr. Gino. Roma was conceived as a democratic association to uplift the quality and standards of rotomolding products in India. We started before 3 years our journey, an Elite Plus function, and with the help of our colleagues and friends of the industry, we have successfully come to 100 plus members, and we are proud to say that we are the third largest association of paid members of rotomolding across the world. Roma's basic concept is to bring upon together the rotomolders, suppliers and consultants on a single platform to ensure that a good quality rotomolded part is available to the customers and value addition products. India was predominantly a water tank market, and now we can see that there are more than 20 rotomolders who are non-tank molders and value addition products. Specialty polymer companies have come into India for production of specialty polymers for automotive industry and furniture industry. We look forward to a quality pie of rotomolding to come forward. The latest trend in India is from the small and medium enterprises in rotomolding to very large corporates who entered into rotomolding. Companies like Supreme, Prince Plastics, Astral, and many such names who are into pipe and other large industries have jumped the bandwagon with Nilkamal and Prima Plastic. And there's a host of orders of machinery. When rotomolding started way back in 1970s and 80s by Mr. S.B. Dangayesh, our guru of rotomolding industry in India, Centerplast. At that time, it was like hands of few people who were handling rotomolding industry. And today, where it has come to a world standard, if you go to the shop floors of people in the rotomolding industry today, you can see where rotomolding has come to. And that's really proud for us to say that yes, rotomolding is catching eyes of All India Plastic Manufacturing Association and other CPM and such other associations to support us, because rotomolding is giving value and the volumes are growing up in rotomolding. Jinuji.
How do you see post-COVID the rotomolding industry and its growth?
When the COVID started and India's lockdown period started in March 2020, it was kind of an absolute void. But yes, there are a few rotomolders who took the opportunity and started supplying COVID-related material like baskets to hospitals, beds, and a host of other products which was COVID-related products, sanitization systems. And I think by October 2020, the trend really changed. And I was talking to a few friends in the industry that they're almost back to 70-75% of pre-COVID times. And if we talk to machine manufacturers, most of the machine manufacturers and mold manufacturers are booked for next 6 months. And that speaks about where rotomolding is going to grow. So post-COVID and in a couple of months, we see a blast into rotomolding. We had a challenge before a decade from blow molding industry, getting into the pie of rotomolding industry of mainly in the smaller tanks of 500 and 1,000 liters. But now, again, the trend is changing. The molders have understood, the retailers have understood, customers understood the importance of rotomolding, the stress-free product, and there is the pressure on the suppliers to supply a quality rotomolding machines, and that's what the future speaks about. Rotomolding is going to be much, much better. More players are coming into the field, and we see a humongous growth in rotomolding.
Thank you, Mr. Mukesh Ambani, for joining us at AGM of Roma. And we congratulate Roma for doing a wonderful job. We wish you all the best. Have a wonderful time. Thank you so much. you.